What's happening, family? How we doing? I'm here with Vartam.
We're out here in Minnesota, and we're going to the Minnesota State Fair, one of the biggest state fairs in the country. Everybody goes here. There's going to be like 2 million people there.
They only do it for 2 weeks long, and so many people come here that it's just overfilled.
It's going to be like a zombie horde of people there.
Alrighty, welcome to America's second largest fair.
Dude, we got a camera. We all got cameras.
You filming me, bro? You filming me? Because I'm filming you.
You didn't consent?
Tell me, what kind of food are you looking for, bro?
Well, not sure. I was trying to look for something random that I've never tried before.
Oh, it's face tracked on me, bro. I'm like, why is it looking at me? I'm trying to put it on you, but it's like face tracked on me.
You look too good, baby. You look too good. The camera wants you.
Are we just getting like a little bucket of fries or what?
Also the 16-ounce, please.
It's gonna be $9. You want to do cash or card?
Card. So we got ketchup, mustard. You got like ranch by chance?
No, sorry.
Oh, that's all good.
Yeah, ranch on fries is foul.
Nah.
Hey, but mayo is.
Hey, you got mayo?
I wish.
Hey, don't forget the sauce, man.
You got me excited.
Yeah, thank you.
Guess I'll settle for some good old ketchup, you know?
See, you think I look good, then I think I don't. And you think you don't look good, I think you do. Who's right?
But I love it. But I love it. I just need some food in my stomach. Yeah, I need some steak on a stick, bro. If they had steak on a stick,
watch out,
I'm trying, bro. But they don't give us a lot of space around
We're
it.
walking against traffic right now.
Yeah, look at all this traffic
Hit
here.
the right side. Noodles, how much?
So it's chicken on a stick with noodles or rice.
How much?
I don't know about that, bro. 17 bucks is crazy for a little piece of chicken. Bro, it's fucking chicken on a stick.
$20 for them sirloin tips, boy.
$20.
It's the fair, Tweeba. Stop being surprised that it's so.
I bet it's delicious.
I don't trust.
Tell the live stream what you want.
I want something greasy and juicy. You know what I mean?
Like what? Give me an example.
Like, I haven't seen it yet, but I know it's in my path, bro. And I also need another beer. You know, we always need another beer. You know this. They gave me green elixir, and I gotta drink it now. But honestly, the caramel rim is good. $3 for a fucking can of milk.
We want some titty juice. Don't worry if no hurries and shit, but I don't know how to navigate through this place as well as you probably do.
I
needed a full meal.
I need another corn dog, bro.
Why don't you listen to me?
Sorry.
It's all good, but I told you need a full meal.
I didn't want just a corn dog.
Yeah, we need something different.
I want something else, bro.
You should have gotten the sirloin tips and the corn dog.
Give me a fucking poutine with
You know what I'm saying?
bacon
can I hit the Joel?
and peanut butter and like
Tom.
and all the and Oreos and shit. That's what I want.
What's your zodiac sign?
What's mine?
Yeah.
Let me guess. I was gonna guess Capricorn.
What's yours?
I don't know. You'll have to guess.
Mine's a Gemini.
Okay. I'm not very good at guessing. Oh, and treats.
So what is happening here?
I don't really know.
You don't really know. You work here.
It's basically you get a random reading. That's
I
what
work
happens.
here.
Could you tell that there was secrets in my pouch?
No, I couldn't.
That's what I thought. You can buy both of them on here.
Alrighty.
That's what I'm saying. If you work here. What?
What just happened?
No, I dropped a cookie. Do you want one? I don't have enough hands to carry the cookie.
Sure.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Like it?
Yeah, it's super cute.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That's cool. Yeah, we won that. We played a game and we won. So there you go.
You think you want some stick gator?
I think I'm gonna get some stick gator and some frozen grapes. Thank you much. Eat a frozen grape.
Oh, let me get a frozen grape
I
there.
need that shit.
Damn.
Frozen grape. The most slept on snack.
I thought you were getting gator.
It's right here.
Chicken nuggets, get away. Do you really want it anymore from me? Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
What's
it.
your name? Braden. Good to meet you. Good to meet you too, brother.
I'm Cole, brother.
You Cole?
Yeah, you can call me
For
Tweeba.
sure. Only the real
Yeah,
motherfuckers
sir.
know.
You were at the Christmas Forest, dog.
Yeah, wait, no, I wasn't there. I wasn't there. But I saw it. I saw it on the video. That's for sure. I would have been there if I had lived in Minnesota, but I live in Florida right now.
Ah, I feel you. I do. I know. We were like in the bathroom, both going to the sink. Like, hey.
Yeah, you tried to dab me up.
It's
I'm
a
like,
small
no, I
world.
don't
I know.
Sorry.
It's like, let's wash our hands and then dap us. Like,
Boys, I just did karaoke. Do we want to do karaoke or what?
wait, no.
No, come on.
You did. You was just yelling chicken nugs into the mic.
Yeah, that is true. I was just saying
I
chicken
can't believe
nuggets
I
all the
missed
time.
it, bro. Oh, well, man.
Tweet, your voice was the loudest.
Yeah, should I go back in?
Chicken nugs or singing the
Yeah,
song?
yeah. I'll sneak a chicken nugget in there.
What is he doing?
You'll hear it.
What is he doing? Tell me.
You'll hear it.
He's wilding.
You can hear his voice, bro. Tell me you can't hear his voice.
What a day, Vartam. Tell me how you're feeling.
Feeling good, man.
So fucking tired.
Good time, good food, good drink, good people. Tired of walking around. Got this noodles, they're really good. Japanese noodles. Grapes, frozen grapes and shit. Jimmy had a gator sausage.
I just spilled my fucking beer everywhere. Brad, how's your day?
It was better before you spilled the beer.
I agree. Tommy, how about yours?
I'm having a good time. No complaints.
Respect. All right. What's the plot for the rest of the day? I say we still got time here, boys. Let's stay out here.
Got work in the morning, gotta be up. Like and subscribe so we can stop working. Tweeba leaves back to Florida. This is the only fair time of the season. Alright, is it rolling? Alright, we're gonna go interview somebody here. Ask them what they think about the Minnesota State Fair. Hey, brother. I know you just took a photo, but do you want to be in this interview?
Sure.
Simple question today. What do you think about the Minnesota State Fair? You're wearing the Minnesota jersey, so you're the man for it.
I love the State Fair. Coming here damn near every year. They got great food, great people, great things to do. The haunted house is one of them. I love it here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a good answer, man.
All right, thank you.
Shout out Minnesota. Shout out the State Fair.
Go M.
Let's go. Have a good one, man. You too. Well, let's go find the boys. This way, Tweeb. I don't know where the boys went. Oh, they're right there. Look at these two dudes right here. We're about to go ask them what the fuck they think about the fair. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Sorry. Hey. What's up, fellas?
There we go.
What do you think about the State Fair?
If we wait long enough, then we'll see it.
What do you guys think about the fair? Strangers?
Good time. Good people.
Why are you here?
Came here for this show exactly.
Oh no. Oh no. Camera got homie acting up, bro. I'll act up with you just to make him look normal.
Really, you got to. You have to.
Packer.
Yeah, it is. So much. Have a good night, guys.
We still chilling at the fair. I'm feeling lit. I'm feeling right. I'm feeling good.
Guys,
No, this is part of the
my feet fucking burn. I got the fucking, I got the flat-footed skate shoes on. They got a little bit of cardboard in there. They work, but they don't work good enough.
I got the J's on my feet, you know it?
J's on my feet. J's on my feet. How you guys feeling?
Feeling good, brother.
I was just telling Tommy, this is part of the state fair experience, is sitting on the bench. Everybody sits at the bench at one point. Gotta sit at the bench for a little bit.
Honestly, though, that's true. Yeah, you gotta sit at the bench and people watch at some point.
The best pastime.
It's where you see the finest bitches.
Can you not? How much? Oh, it says up there somewhere. $28.99 for a Thrasher? It is, but bro, Thrasher, come on. How is Thrasher dead? Thrasher never dies. Nah, Thrasher been dead, bro. You're better off going with some Huff.
No way.
Yeah, Huff is much cooler, more quality, more
People
quality.
didn't want to wear Huff in 5th grade. I remember Huff was lame as fuck.
Yes, it was. You're better off getting some unknown shit than some Thrasher, bro.
Alright, these are my boys. What are you guys' names?
Evan.
Evan?
Chance.
Chance? Let's go. Let's get this going.
Messing a wheel though.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, good shit.
Oh, fuck.
Good shit. Hey, good shit, boys. Good to meet you, alright?
Look, this is gonna be us. This is our future, bro.
Are there prices?
Vartam, get the fuck out of there. I don't know this guy. Oh, it's like up to my neck damn near, bro. Case spot right here. It's just like, you can have a whole party here, bro. How much? How much? 30 rags? Oh,
30 rags.
I'm out. I'm out of here, bro.
Touch it?
For $100?
No. For free?
Sure.
I could use a dip right now, boys.
Shouldn't even get in, bro. It's calling your name.